What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Drive to n8n. So first you need to head over to n8n and then log in with your n8n account. And after that in the new tab, you need to open the Google Cloud Console. After typing Google Cloud Console on your browser search bar, you need to click on this first official website of Google Cloud Console. And after that, this website will load. So from here, you need to log in or sign in with your account. And after logging in or signing in with your account, you will see the console button here on the right side. Click on this and then this will open the console of Google Cloud. After opening the console, you just need to click on this My Project, and after that on the right side you need to click on New Project. After clicking on New Project, here you will open the New Project window. So from here you just need to give your project a name. As you can see, this is my project name. This is a pre-built name. I can also change it, but I don't want to change it for now. I'll simply click on create, and after that, when the project has been created, in the my notification section, you will see the notification of project creation. So from here, just simply click on select project, and then your latest project will be selected. From here on the left side, you need to click on these three dots. After clicking on three dots, you need to hover to APIs and services and then click on library. After clicking on library, you just need to click on the search bar once and then you need to type Google Drive. After typing Google Drive, and when you hit enter by just selecting the Google Drive API, you will see this Google Drive API. Click on this. And after clicking on this on the left side, you will see the button to enable it. Click on enable. After clicking on enable here, you will open a new window. As you can see, this is the new window. From here, you need to again click on OAuth consent screen. And after clicking on OAuth consent screen here on the left side, you'll notice a button of Get Started. Simply click on this Get Started button, and then from here, you need to give your app a name. Let's say I'm naming it Test1, and then in the user support email, just enter your email and then click on Next. In the audience section, select External and then click on Next again. And then in the email address, just retype your email address that you entered above. And after that, click on Next. After in the Finish section, you just need to check this checkbox and then click on Continue and click on Create. After clicking Create, this will process it. Then your new OAuth configuration will be created. So from here on the right side, you need to click on Create OAuth Client. And after clicking on Create OAuth Client, in the application type, you need to select the web application. After that, you can also name your web client. I'll keep it web client 1. And then here in the authorized redirect URLs, you just need to come back to n8n and then you need to click on add first step. I'll show you first. You will be first redirected to the home page. From here, you need to click on this create workflow on the right side, and then your editor will open. From here, you need to click on add first step, and then you need to search for Google Drive. And after searching for Google Drive, click on this, and then you can also choose the triggers and actions. Let's say I want this trigger, so I'll just simply choose it, and then I'll click on new credential. But as you can see, I have already created some Google OAuth APIs, but for you, I'll create a new one. I'll click on create new credential, and then from here, this is the OAuth redirect URL. Just simply copy this, and after copying this OAuth link, come back to Google Cloud, and then in this authorized redirected links, click on add URL, and then just simply paste it. After pasting it, you just need to create it by just clicking on this create button. And after clicking on this create button here, you will see your client ID. Make sure to copy it because it will appear only once. So make sure that you have copied it and then come back to n8n. And then in the client ID section, you just simply need to paste it. After that, we still need the client secret. So for the client secret, you need to click on OK. And after that, a new window will appear. From here. You need to click on this web client 1 or whatever name that you have added in your web client. So from here on the right side, when you scroll a bit down, you will see the client secret. Just simply copy your client secret from here and then come back to n8n and paste your client secret. And when you are done, you just make sure that you sign in with your Google. And after signing in with Google, click on save. So your credential will be created and saved successfully, and then your Google Drive will be connected to n8n. That's all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.